In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Kakaotalk login problem. So please watch the video until the end and follow this tutorial step by step to avoid making mistakes. So let's get started. The first thing we want to do is to make sure that we are connected to a stable internet connection. So if you're connected to a Wi-Fi, make sure that it's working properly, or if you're connected to your cellular data, make sure that it's working just fine. So the next thing we want to do is to go to our settings, phone settings, and go to our app settings. From here, we want to go and find KakaoTalk. And from here, we want to select KakaoTalk and just go to its storage setting. From here, we want to clear the cache of your app and also clear the data of the app. So if this method still doesn't work for you, what you can do is to go to the Play Store and search for KakaoTalk. So from here, you want to open this and make sure that your Kakaotalk app is up to date. Make sure that there is no update button here, just the uninstall and open button. So that's it. If you find this video helpful, please hit like and subscribe. Thanks.